This is a song called The Meadow Lark and the Mockingbird, and it's about two birds talking about being birds.
What makes you a set of wings makes a fine cage for me. What makes you a set of wings makes a fine cage for me. Meadow Lark, is it so wrong to feel I'll never quite belong? I know all that I once was, so I sing all the other songs. I was cool morning breeze, I was the raging seas, I was a smooth wet stone, I was the great unknown. No sentence to this one form, small winged and forlorn, dreaming when I was free into this frame so freshly born. What makes you a set of wings makes a fine cage for me. What makes you a set of wings makes a fine cage for me. What makes you a set of wings makes a fine cage for me. What makes you a set of wings makes a fine cage for me. Mockingbird, how you sing contains a bit of everything. Each new song that moves through you is a new kind of transforming. Mockingbird, how we fly is a freedom you cannot deny. It's like we become the wind each night we take to the sky. What makes you a set of wings might could just set you free. What makes you a set of wings might could just set you free. What makes you a set of wings might could just set you free. What makes you a set of wings might could just set you free. Free as I'll ever be. Under the cedar tree, leave it all unto so much more than men.